Okay, welcome back. Many of you have asked me about infinite banking, whole life policies you can borrow against, the wealthy are using, stuff like that. I've turned you away from it for a while now because I had not dug into it and could not put my name to it. As of today, I am putting my name to it if done properly. Just like anything else in this world, you're going to have shysters out there that are going to try to take advantage and, for their own personal enrichment without a care in the world for you and your family. So that's why I turned you all away from it for as long as I did. But now that I've dug into it, I will put my name attached to this and I will offer it to each of you. And it is something the wealthy are doing. I've confirmed that and verified that. And I'm going to teach you how and how to do it right. Because you can do this absolutely wrong. Well, I should say you could do it in a way that it's not going to benefit you as quickly as it could. It's going to benefit the agent and the broker faster than it will benefit you. So you want to have it done right by someone you trust. So let's sum this up here in this diagram. There's two types of people in the world. You need to identify who you are and be honest about it. There's one up top or two down below. So number one, this person here is going to save money to make a purchase. It's that simple. They want to buy a car, they're going to save. Save until they get enough, pay for the car, their account's down to zero again, but now they have the car. Or there's person number two. They do not want to save. They want the luxury of now. They want to buy it now on credit, so they'll go into debt, buy the car, and pay the car back over time. So now this is the point where you can pause the video and decide, or you probably already know. I'd say most of you are probably going to be the number two person, taking out debt and paying it back later. It's kind of the American way. That's how a lot of us do it. But with infinite banking now, pay attention to this. Infinite banking and what the wealthy do is they do both. It's that simple. They do both. They save money that continually grows forever, and they also borrow against that money that's growing. They use this money up above here as the collateral for debt. So this money will grow. Let's see if I can pull this out here a little bit. It's going to grow while they take debt out for investments, primarily investments that are also going to appreciate in value. So let me move this over here. Get this pen out again. Infinite banking, again, is both person one and person two. They're growing this account contractually. It grows forever. And they're taking out debt in different spurts along the way. Small debt, pay it back. Big debt, pay it back. Small debt, pay it back. Big debt, weddings, funerals, home purchases, investment home purchases. I mean, everything you can imagine. They're doing this all while this account up top is growing. Untouched, unscathed, growing. Doesn't matter if the market turns down, like we've seen a lot of lately. It doesn't matter what the market volatility is. This continually goes up forever. This is what the wealthy are doing in a simple diagram that, now that I look at it, looks very cluttered, but hopefully you followed along. So that is the video today. This is something I now offer, and I've dug into this weeks of phone calls, on the phone with them for hours, interviewing the carriers, talking to each of them, learning about each of them, learning how to do it wrong. That's where I put most of my attention up front, was how do people do this wrong? And I now know, and I know how to do it right because I learned how to do it wrong. So for any of you interested in learning how to dramatically improve your results, whatever it is you're doing, are you paying off debt? You'll pay off debt faster. Are you trying to grow a savings account? You'll grow your savings account faster. Do you have investments that are performing well? They perform even better. It doesn't matter what you're doing within this financial system. If you do this right with this type of policy, you're going to be doing it better, paying off debt faster, building your assets faster, building your savings faster, building your retirement faster, all of it, all of the above, to your benefit. And it's called Your Family Banking if you want to do any research on your own. or infinite banking concept, whichever one, but it's the same thing. So you just have to know and have someone that you trust who will set this up properly for you for your benefit, first and foremost. And likewise, like myself, I know I'll be taken care of in the long run if I take care of all of you first. So reach out to me if you have questions. My name is Ray Keller, the owner of Independent Island Life Insurance. My phone number is 435-200-4869. You can find me on Facebook or just at my website, independentislandlifeinsurance.com. Reach out and make it a fantastic week.